Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the In-Data Project at Easterseals Crossroads, and today we're going to be talking about a 6-dot Brailler, so let's go ahead and take a look.
Hi, this is Jim Rinehart. I'm an Assistive Technology Specialist at Easterseals Crossroads. Today's tech tip is about the 6-dot Braille Label Maker. This item would be used by somebody who writes and or reads Braille. It would be designed primarily for somebody who probably does a lot of labeling with the embossed tape, and can be used either with the 6-dot Perkins style keyboard, or it has an accessory I'll show you shortly that you can use a standard QWERTY keyboard with it as well. So the first thing is, here's the dots, and here's the unit right here. So it's got the 6 dots, it's got the green space bar. Also, the circle in the middle is what you use to cut the tape once you type your label. On the side, the right side, as you use it, we turn it, there is an on and off switch, and you push that towards the back of the unit to turn it on. There is also a place with a mini USB. That will be where you would plug in your QWERTY keyboard if you're going to make labels using that. And then following that, towards the back of the unit on the right side, is the power cable. So you can run this unit just off of AC power in addition to batteries. I've contacted the manufacturers. They say you can run with the power cable even if you do have batteries in the unit. Going to the bottom of the unit, there is, on the bottom, it's marked in Braille, there is a compartment where you can open it up, and the batteries are below that. And then there's also, on the back side, there is this compartment here, which this opens up, and this is where the tape is actually loaded and reloaded back in there to make your labels. And the labels completed come out here. So here's how it works. First of all, I'm going to try to turn the power on. And we're going to try to type my name, Jim, since it's pretty short. And you might be able to hear it actually making the labels as it is typing. Now once I hit the space bar, and I'll put okay, so I typed Jim Bob, and once although it stops making noise, I can press the button in the center, and it cuts my label, and here is what my finished label looks like. From here, it's pretty standard. I can peel off the back and stick it wherever I want to. So that is the 6-dot Braille labeler. Some of the accessories with that, this has got the standard power cable I was talking about earlier that plugs in the side that you can use and run off power. Or it also has the accessory of the standard QWERTY keyboard with attachments that give us the mini USB that also plugs into the side. So that's kind of it. That's the 6-dot Braille label maker, and I found it easy to use, and would be great for somebody who does a lot of labeling. Thank you very much for watching, and have a fantastic day.
Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the In-Data Project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.